Alright guys, see, nothing fish guys. Kaya uli ice cream. See, and bread. That's why and I don't have also inside me I have a small fish. So let's go to fishing guys. See, and my old bread guys. I'm using the let me see. Okay, only 1 minute guys, and let's go. Okay, yeah, continuous lang natin to guys sa pagpipishing natin. And then yeah, ito yung natin gamitin natin. Okay, kasi I don't have fish now, may refrigerator. This is the big one guys. So and guys I wish not losing guys, kasi may refrigerator siya. Sige. Yeah, fishing guys, because this is a big size malakapas guys. Guys, sila, Jesus name. That's the one guys. Come on. Come on. That's the one. See? I tell you guys, I don't have fish in the refrigerator. Now I have a big size of malakapas. Yeah, at least guys, not bad already guys. I don't have maputi, but I catching already the good size of malakapas. And by the way, I passed by too in the WSSR. We have like a small league sport guys. See, hindi tayo mawala ng isda guys. Even like this one, make a kilo and fry cook, or they okay. Right, Mr. B, good morning. Good morning sa lahat. Alright guys, only si Rod. Only few minutes guys, he's calling me, but I stopped because I catching the, I think this is maputi guys. Oh yeah, it's maputi guys. Woohoo! I love you guys. Come on mama. See guys, sit down lang tayo dito guys. See, si Jilly guys. Si Rod, so only now is call me. See look, Rod. I catching now. Enjoy lang guys, listen lang. Rod, only now, see? This is it. I seen you. So, this time is hangkod again guys. Malakapas guys. Come on mama. Maputi guys. Si mama. Mama? Alright. Not bad. At least continuous nagkubaga si mama guys. Nakadalawa na tayo. And by the way, this again my spot. In Silangano mga walking distance guys. Because until now, I still waiting my car. But I'm choose guys. See? In the Pantalan, nobody to fishing. And si Mr. Rod looking the good spot for the maputi, but my backside nobody guys, only me. Somebody sit down and eating. Right, continue lang guys. See, I continues catching the sayuri on the, also si mama guys I catching a little bit, at least still have. Right, look like guys, not bad na yan kasing refrigerator guys, nothing fish, that's why yes mama. See, continues natin guys on this one. Alright, skills lang guys. Patagkailan niya guys, very hot. See, wala niya guys, who's this guy? Let me see. She trying catching the malik guys. So dito lang tayo guys. Dito rin tayo guys sa spot natin guys. Very windy guys. And my shield is the pantry. And in few minutes, maybe like 30 minutes, I go home guys. I drink the bread, but like nothing. That before this spot is a lot agwas, sayuri, malit. But this time, like nothing, but it's okay. Sit down and relax in the beachside and throwing your line. Soon we have fish and go home. Right guys, kundis na natin guys. I wish maka-catching pa tayo guys. Right guys, let's go. But that guys, still there oh. But honestly guys, very hot. For him it's okay. But me, I cannot lie that guys. You know. Kaya let's go. Time to eat. Oh. See, look my spot guys. Pantalan no bali fishing is very hot. See. Shout out sa Hintika sa sa New York. Si Leo guys. Yun tinain na ng malik niya malilit yung tinapay ko guys. Kiling guys, kasi alas 12 na. Look at my place guys. Only one guy eating lunch, but me also time to go home, time to eat too. And at least yun nga guys, sabi ko sa inyo, may refrigerator, nothing fish. At this time ay catching guys, sayuri, maputi. Alright, this is a big size guys. Okay, at least mayroon tayong video sa around the activities yan guys. By the way, my car until now stay there in the Toyota Maker guys, long time already guys, over 2 months already. So okay guys, at least kung okay na, back to fishing kayo. Right, love you guys, see you soon. Okay.